So here we are at the Pétionville camp in Haiti, which is managed by the JP Haitian Relief Organization. Tomorrow is a very big day for this camp. They are moving over 40 families, relocating over 40 families from this camp to a more stable camp because the rains are coming. Academy Award-winning actor Sean Penn has become as well known for his humanitarian efforts as he has for his accomplishments on the big screen. He is the co-founder of the Jenkins Penn Haitian Relief Organization, which has been on the ground in Haiti since a week after the devastating January 12th earthquake.
The magnitude of what happened with this earthquake combined with poverty is a disaster that we've never seen before.
Their major focus today is building shelters and relocating residents to safer ground 30 miles away at Camp Karai before Haiti's torrential rains begin in full force.
As of tomorrow, we complete the first 5,000 being relocated from this camp, which has enormous high-risk zones for flood and mudslide, and then, of course, equally difficult problems in terms of because of sanitation issues and because of the terrain, which is all downhill.
After the earthquake on January 12th, 30,000 people fled Port-au-Prince and set up camp at the Pétionville Country Club. The population quickly exploded, growing from 30,000 to 60,000 in a matter of weeks. But convincing residents to move is easier said than done. We just finished interviewing a gentleman and his family, and he is not going to be part of the move tomorrow. He refuses to move. He refuses to move his family. He knows it's unsafe, but he doesn't know the other location 30 miles away. He doesn't know if there's work there. Many of these people are stuck between a rock and a hard place. They're afraid to go 30 miles away from the only home they've ever known, even if it is temporarily living in a tent.
If we get 4 heavy days of rain, this country can be in exactly the same place it was the day of the earthquake. If you spend too much of the focus saying, well, you know, the Haitians have to do this for themselves right now, can you tell that to a 2-year-old? Can you tell that to an infant? They will die in the tens of thousands if we don't maintain a direct aid right now.
Penn says the best way to get involved is by sending money to credible relief organizations.
Tents are still needed desperately, but tents are not the end game. You can do the traditional thing of writing your congresspeople in terms of continued U.S. support. You can look for NGOs that function in the outlying areas. You can support JPHRO. You do your homework and support whatever organization suits your fancy.
To get involved with the Jenkins Penn Haitian Relief Organization, visit jphro.org or visit us at artivist.com. I'm Dayaki Diaz for artivist.com. A greater you, a greater world.